back to Sincerely Legenia. You guys, let me show you what I found while I was looking for another pot. Let me show you guys. So guys, I found this cast iron Dutch oven at the top of my cabinets, and I remember buying this years ago, and I just completely forgot about it. So look at this. A cute little cast iron Dutch oven that I completely forgot about. Well, you see it's all rusty and nasty. I'm just gonna show you guys how to restore an old rusty cast iron. The first thing we're gonna do is soak our cast iron in a solution of half vinegar and half water. To soak in this acid bath for approximately 35 to 45 minutes. And that's always dependent upon how much rust you actually have on your cast iron. Mine did not have a lot of rust, so 30 to 45 minutes should work just fine. Make sure that during the soaking process, if you need to turn it over to make sure that all parts get equal soaking time, then go ahead and do so. All right, when your cast iron is finished soaking, go ahead and drain the water. The next thing we're going to do is add plenty of baking soda to our cast iron. This is to help neutralize the acid. Then we're going to get a really good scouring pad and scrub this thing down vigorously. Like to go in with an SOS pad. That's one of the scouring pads that has soap in it already. Use whatever brand you want. And then I give it a second and third cleaning with it. When you are done, get a paper towel and make sure you dry your cast iron really, really well, as best as you can. And to ensure that it's completely dry, go ahead and place this on a burner. If you do not have a gas burner, then you can place it in your stove at 350 degrees just to make sure it is completely dry. So I'm gonna put this on top of my burner now. Everybody, so now since our pot is cooled, the next thing we're going to do is season it, and we're going to use canola oil in order to do that. You can use any kind of oil. Actually, you can use canola oil, you can use olive oil, flaxseed oil. Either one of those will be fine. I have canola oil on hand, so that is what I am going to be using. So we'll drizzle a little bit in the pan, and we're just going to rub this all over. And make sure that you get the oil in every crack and crevice of the cast iron. While you're doing this, be sure to preheat your oven at 400 degrees. We place it in a 400 degree oven. After 1 hour, Turn the oven off and allow your cast iron to sit until cool. All right, guys, it's now the next day. Let's check on our cast iron. All right, guys. Beautiful. All right, everyone, so there you have it. I have finished seasoning my cast iron after it has gotten all rusty and nasty and everything. That is how you properly re-season a cast iron skillet. It turned out perfect. As you can see, all of the rust is gone. It is absolutely beautiful and it is ready to use again. Now, if you want even better results, you can try the seasoning process over again. So that would consist of oiling it down again with your canola oil or flaxseed oil or olive oil, whatever oil of your choice, and put it in the oven again at 400 degrees for an hour. And that just makes your cast iron last even longer and makes it even better. Once again, guys, I love how this turned out. My cast iron looks brand spanking new all over again. And the process was really, really easy. It does not take a lot, just a little time and a little patience. But as you see, all of the rust is completely gone and it turned out perfect. Well, guys, that is it for today's video. I cannot wait to bring you more delicious keto and low-carb recipes in my newly refurbished cast iron Dutch oven. I am so pleased with how well it turned out. Thank you guys for joining me for another video right here on Sincerely Legenia. It is my prayer that you and your family have a blessed and a prosperous week, and I'll talk to you in the next video. Until next time, bye.